Ladies and gentlemen, Grace Jabbari is suing John Majors. Mm, mm, mm. This is the girlfriend that won't go away. She is so butt sore that he is with Megan Good now and dumped her. So I guess she figures she can't get him, so she'll try to get a bag. So Jonathan Majors faces more legal backlash. So Grace Jabbari, who accused the former Marvel star of battery, assault, and defamation, she has filed a new suit on him. Jabbari, who testified against 34-year-old Creed 3 and Lovecraft Country actor in a high profile assault and harassment case last year, filed her lawsuit in New York federal court on Tuesday. She also accused the actor of intentional infliction of emotional distress, malicious prosecution, and according to the legal documents, and this is what the Times says, the case arises from a pattern of persuasive domestic abuse that began in 2021 and extended through 2023, the complaint says. The totality of the circumstances and history of domestic abuse are pertinent to understanding the severity of Grace Jabbari's damages. Wow. In a statement shared with the Times, Jabbari's attorney, Brittany Henderson, said the movement coach resolve has never wavered and praised her client's tremendous bravery in her quest for accountability. The statement continued, this action will shed light on the truth, bringing her final the final justice that she deserves. So, in response to Jabbari's lawsuit, Major's attorney, Priya Chandri, told the Times the complaint is no surprise and that the actor's legal team is preparing counterclaims against Miss Jabbari. Multiple incidents of Major's alleged abuse against Jabbari are at the core of her lawsuit. Jabbari met the last Black man in San Francisco breakout star in August of 2021 on the set of Marvel's Ant-Man and the Wasp. So, yeah, I remember this. She served as a movement coach and starred as a franchise villain, Kang. That's what John Majors was in the movie. Okay. So, according to the complaint, Major started showing concerning behavior shortly after he and Jabari began dating. His aggressive attitude against his then girlfriend began to escalate, the lawsuit says, until he allegedly attacked her for the first time in July of 2022. Among the alleged incidents detailed in Jabari's complaint is the March 2023 dispute that spiraled into the actor's highly publicized month long domestic violence case. Majors was arrested on March 25th, 2023, over a confrontation with Jabari during a car ride in Manhattan the previous night. The case played out in court as Manhattan prosecutors contemplated Majors' alleged cruel and manipulative pattern of psychological and physical abuse. In his defense claim, Jabari's allegations were part of her efforts to ruin John Majors and take away everything he has spent his whole life working for. Majors was convicted of assault and harassment on December 18th, but also acquitted of an additional assault charge and aggravated harassment. Jabari's lawsuit also takes issue with Major's interview with ABC News. which aired less than a month after his conviction. She alleged that during the interview, he intentionally made knowingly false statements about the events of their March 2023 dispute, accusing him and his legal representation of defamation. The false statements that Majors made personally and uh, uh, through his authorized agent, and she's talking about his lawyer, that Priya Chandri, not only called the plaintiff truthfulness and the integrity into question, but also exposed her to public hatred, contempt, ridicule, and disgrace, the lawsuit says. Jabbari requested a jury trial and is seeking unspecified compensatory and punitive damages. And, back in December, they said he could possibly spend up to 1 year in prison. That could, is the maximum he could get. So his sentence is on the same day of the Great American Eclipse, April 8th. That's when he will be sentenced. So the sentencing initially set for February was delayed to resolve defense motions. So y'all, mm-mm-mm. Guess she ain't gonna go away until she gets a bag. So y'all, you're gonna have to tell me what you think. I mean, I remember that incident. He was running away from her, but they didn't see it that way in court. So please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.